Hello, hello, hello. Good. See, I have a very fresh in stock. Okay. Yeah. He, her project is very soon because I got plywood. I got her lumber. You know, lumber in front of my like something like to my what do you call this to my kitchen like this. Yeah, I got lumber plenty. What it's plenty, plenty. So I don't need to buy a lumber for her because I have already plenty. So the only thing that I did is I bought 20 pieces. Hey, Tita Amy, hello, Tita Amy, hello, Tita Amy, Tita Amy. How are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Also, yes, I got 20 pieces of plywood and also the lumber that you need. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Emmy. And also I forgot the roof. Yeah, I forgot the roof. I visit to her today in her house. The bedroom is really want to drop now. Yeah. So I want to I want to what do you call this? I want to what do you call this? I want to I want to a video like make a video before I will start. Yeah, I want to make a video before we start, but I feel shy because they need also the privacy. So I am thinking that maybe later because if you know, but wow, I'm so excited because I got a plywood